After knowing about cell reference calculating, you should know the formula can be used as autofill. For example, I'll show you 1 2. You can do as the autofill. Now for example, I'll use B and C colon 2 5. There's 3 intervals. You can use. If you want to do B and C, this is the B colon and C colon. You want to get C divided by B. If so, you can write the C. You can select by clicking. You can select, or you can write. Please write equation, and then you can left click, and then divide it, and then you can choose B5 B by C by B. Enter. You can get this, and shall we do again? C6 by, you can write by keyboard, not clicking on the B sheet. You can write B sheet like this. You can write. If you click 2 times, if you do double clicks, you can see blue C6, blue color C6 is divided by the red color B sheet. And then you can check like this. Now also there's just like the B C, that's just like the subscript. For example, if the row is changed, the row 1 2 3 will change, the results of C rows also will change 1 2 3. So you can use the formula piece by using autofill. Shall we use the formula paste, copy paste? I like to copy paste. For example, this cell reference to this 2 cell. This result is from this 2 cell. So you can use the autofill. If you want to do the autofill features, please go to the right corner at the bottom. Now your mouse pointing is changing to the small plus sign. You can use the autofill feature. If you click and drag down, press left click and drag down. Now you can get. Shall we check the formula is right or not? Right. Our formula is here. B by C, D14 gets C14 by B14. Great. If so, shall we get B10 C10? That's great. It's called formula piece. You can do, for example, you can also do like this. Shall we copy? B C, I'll multiply C cross B. This operator is multiplication operator. Not B C, this F G F G. F G is equal to H, like this. I like to do like the step. I'll you can do as just like the Okay, now I'll show you. This equal to, I like to multiply this and this. Okay, you can copy like this. Okay, 0. Why we have 0? Oh, now changes to here. Okay, the set is from F5 to F8. This the set position. Now we can get this set, and also after this, these two, it's under the next row, from 1 to 2 row, 2 to 5 rows, the cell go down to the second row. Like this, the cell should be the third row. Okay, the cell should be the fourth row, like this. So this called cell referencing. Okay, if you realize that you can move this cell from one like this. Okay, you can move. Now please, you can check. Oh, your cells are always linking. If you move to another, the cells is already linked to each other. So this is called cell referencing. Okay, now division and multiplication. You may know the mathematical operators. Addition is plus sign, subtraction is minus sign. Okay, thank you for watching.